Om Gurudam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students. Today discuss about addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction from your activity book. Okay. Everybody open your activity book. Addition and subtraction chapters. Asinana, add the following two-digit numbers. Add the following two-digit numbers. See here, 54 plus 32. First, listen carefully. Everybody write down the given problem. Okay. Write in column wise according to their choices. See here, this is ones column, this is tens column. 54 plus 30. Then first to add the digits in ones place, next to add the digits in tens place. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. Sum is equals to 86. Next, 26 plus 53. See, 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 5, 7. Sum is equals to 79. 84 plus 15. First to add the digits in ones place. 4 plus 5, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Sum is equals to 99. Next, 57 plus 20. First to add the digits in ones place. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. Then next to add the digits in tens place. 5 plus 2, you can get 7. Sum is equals to 77. Okay? Everybody do remaining problems. Write down better. Now next second bit beta, do the following 3-digit additions. See here, 535 plus 444. First the given number, write in column wise according to their places. See, this is ones column, tens column, hundreds column. First to add the digits in ones place, next to add the digits in tens place, next to add the digits in hundreds place. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 4, 9. Sum is equals to 979. Next, 868 plus 121. First to add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 1, you can get 9. Next to add the digits in tens place. 6 plus 2, 8. Next to add the digits in hundreds place. 8 plus 1, 9. Sum is equals to 989. Next, 732 plus 145. First to add the digits in ones place. 2 plus 5, you can get 7. Next to add the digits in tens place. 3 plus 4, you can get 7. Next to add the digits in hundreds place. 7 plus 1, you can get 8. Next 523 plus 374. First we add the digits in 1 place, 3 plus 4 you can get 7, 2 plus 7 you can get 9, next 5 plus 3 you can get 8. Sum is equals to 897. Write down. Now next beta 138 plus 145 plus 267. See here how many rows are there? 3 beta, 3 columns. 138 plus 145 plus 267. First to add the digits in first place. 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 7 20. In it 0 is taking, 2 carrying where in tens place. So once again 20, in it 0 is taking right in one's column and 2 is carry over to the tens place beta. Next to add the digits in tens place along with carrying. Here 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 15. In it 5 is taking right down in tens column. Now 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. Now next to add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. Sum is equals to 550. Now next 240 plus 457. 457 plus 640. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First to add the digits in ones place. 0 plus 7 7, 7 plus 2 9 beta. Next to add the digits in tens place. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 4 13. In it 3 is taking right down in tens column, 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Next to add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 13. See, this is the last place of the given number. You can write 13. Nice. Okay. Sum is equals to 1339. So remaining problems you can do. Now next solve the following 4-digit numbers. Solve the following 4-digit additions. See here 8928 plus 2470. See, first the given number write in column wise according to their places. How many places are there? 1 space, 10 space, 100 space and 1000 space. First we add the digits in 1 space, next to 10 space, next to 100 space and 1000 space respectively. See here 8 plus 0 8, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 4 13. In it 3 taking, 1 is carried over to the 1000 place. Next to add the digits in 1000 place along with carry. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 2 11. So we can write 11. Where we can write 11? Write on this column. Then sum is equals to 11,390. Now next one is 2,989, 7,941. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First to add the digits in 1 space, 9 plus 1 10 beta. In it 0 is taking, 1 is carried over to the 10th place. Next to add the digits in 10th place along with carrying. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. In it, 3 is taken right down in tens column and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Next to add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19 beta. In it, 9 is taken right down in hundreds column and 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Next to add the digits in thousands place along with carrying. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. This is the last place of the given number, then you can write it 10. Where thousands column. Now here, sum is equals to 10,930. Now next, take the number 25, first one. Arrange the numbers from 1 to 9 along the sides of the triangle such that the sum of the numbers along each side is the same. Use each number only once. See here, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 beta. Two plus 7, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 8, 20 beta. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Write down everybody. Next, arrange the numbers from 4 to 9 in the triangle such that the sum of the numbers along each side is first 120. See here, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. See here, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Say sum of the sides of a triangle, you can get 21. See here, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 7, 21. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. Next, write the numbers from 1 to 9 such that each row, column and diagonals add up to the same number. See here, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. See here, remaining problems we can do. Diagonals also. See here, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15. Okay. Now next page number 26, third bit beta. Identify the path to add the digits in the table to get the sum given below. So you can find out path, you can get 39. See, from 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 6, 32, 32 plus 7, 39. So this is the path. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 6, 32, 32 plus 7, 30. Now next one. Three, 4, 5, 3, 7, 4, 6, 8, 9, and equals to 42. So we can add from 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 8, 33. 33 plus 9, you can get 42. Now remaining problems you can do better. Next page number 27. Add these numbers. See, 71,295 plus 32,106. This is the 5-digit number beta. So this is ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, 10,000. First we add the digits in ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place, and 10,000 place respectively. Now we add 5 plus 6, 11. In it, one is taking right down in ones column and one is carry over to the tens place. Next, we add the digits in tens place. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. In it, 0 is taking right down in tens column and one is carry over to the tens place. Next, we add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Next, we add the digits in thousands place 1 plus 2, 3. Then next, we add the digits in 10,000 place 7 plus 3, 10. This is the last piece of the given number. Then write down thousands, 10,000 column of the sum. Therefore, sum is equals to 1,03,400. Now next, 21,348 plus 42,812. First we add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 taking 1 carrying in tens place. Next we add the digits in tens place along with carrying 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Next we add the digits in hundreds place. 3 plus 8, 11. In it 1 taking, 1 is carry over to the thousands place. Next we add the digits in thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Next we add the digits in 10,000 place. 2 plus 4, you can get 6. Sum is equals to 64,160. Now next remaining problems you can do better. Now next page number 28. Solve the following three-digit subtractions. $978 minus 457. First the given number write in column wise according to their places later. First subtract the digits in ones place. 8 minus 7 it is possible because 8 is the bigger number than 7. 8 minus 7 you can get 1. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 7 minus 2 you can get 2. 7 minus 5 you can get 2. Next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 9 minus 4 you can get. Difference is equals to 520. Minus 289. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. See here. First subtract the digits in ones place. 7 minus 9. Possible? Not possible because 7 is the smaller number than 9. Now take borrowing from 5. It can give 10. 10 is added to 7. 10 plus 7 17. 5 it can last one. 5 becomes 4. Now 17 minus 9 you can get 8. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 4 minus 8 not possible because 4 is the smaller number than 8. Then I have to take borrowing from 4. It can give 10. 10 is added to 4. 10 plus 4 you can get 14. 4 becomes 16. Now 14 minus 8 you can get 6. 3 minus 2 you can get 1. Difference is equals to 160. Write down everybody. See here, 4,989, 3,816. 4,918 minus 3,816. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First we subtract the digits in ones place. 9 minus 6 you can get 3. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 8 minus 1 7. Next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 9 minus 8 1. Next subtract the digits in thousands place. 4 minus 3 you can get 1. Difference is equals to 1,170. See here, 5,862 minus 3,450. First subtract the digits in ones place. 2 minus 0. 2. 0 is subtracted from any number, you can get the same number. 0 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 3. The difference is equals to 2,412. See here, 9,000 846 minus 5906. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 6 0. Any number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. 6 minus 6 0. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 4 minus 0 you can get 4. Next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 8 minus 9. Possible better? Not possible, because 8 is the smaller number than 9. Now take borrowing from thousands place, that is 9. 9 that it will give borrow to hundreds place, then it gives 10. 10 is added to 8. 10 plus 8 18. 9 it can last one, 9 becomes 8. 18 minus 9 you can get 9. 8 minus 5 you can get 3. Difference is equals to 3940. Now next one. 6,378 2,599. First, the given number write in column wise according to their places. First, subtract the digits in ones place. Now, see here, 8 minus 9 possible better? No, because 8 is the smaller number than 9. Then take borrowing from 7. It can give 10. 10 is added to 8. 10 plus 8 18. 7 it can last. 7 becomes 6 better. 18 minus 9 you can get 9. Again, to subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 9. Possible? Not possible, because 6 is the smaller number than 9. Now take borrowing from 3. It can be 10. 10 is added to 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. 3 becomes 2. 16 minus 9 you can get 7. Now next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 2 minus 5 not possible, because 2 is the smaller number than 5. Now take borrowing from 6. It can give 10. 10 is added to 2. 10 plus 2 you can get 12. So 6 it can last one. 6 becomes 5. 12 minus 5 you can get 7. Now subtract the digits in thousands place. 5 minus 2. So 5 is a bigger number than 2. Then 5 minus 2 you can get 3. Difference is equals to 3,779. Do the following. Five digits subtractions. $94,167 minus 18,440. First subtract the digits in ones place. 7 minus 0. 7. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 4 you can get 2. Now subtract the digits in hundreds place. 1 minus 4 not possible, because 1 is the smaller number than 4. Then we have to take borrowing from 4. It can give 10. 10 is added to 1. You can get 11. 4 becomes 3. Now 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 can be what? See here 7. 3 minus 8 possible beta, not possible because 3 is the smaller number than 8. Now take borrowing from 9, it can give 10. 10 is added to 3, 13. So 9, it can last one, 9 becomes 8. 13 minus 8. See here 5. 8 minus 1, 7. Difference is equal to 75,727. Next, 76,016 minus 68,125. See here, first subtracted digits in one space, 6 minus 5, 1. Now next subtracted digits in 10 space. Now 2 minus 1 possible, not possible because 1 is the smaller number than 2. Now take borrowing from 100 space. But here 0, so there is no number. Again 0 is depending on thousands place. So 6 is borrowed to 100 place digit, that is 10. Again this 100 place digit means borrowing to this. So 10 is added to 1, you can get 11. So here 10 becomes last one, 10 becomes 9. Then it can last one, 10 becomes 9. 6 it can last one, 6 becomes 5. See here. 11 minus 2, you can get 9. 9 minus 1, you can get 8. Next subtract the digits in thousands place. 5 minus 8 possible beta, not possible because 5 is the smaller number than. See here, take borrowing from 7, it can give 10, 10 is added to 5, you can get 15. 7 it can last one, 7 becomes 6. So 15 minus 8, 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore, difference is equals to, so 0 there is no value, 7,890. Okay beta, today our class is completed. Thank you to all.